Hello, welcome to the channel. Let's solve some Nerdle puzzles. The equals is in the right place, so it could be a times or a plus. I think I'll start with a plus, so 73 plus 14 equals 87. That's a possibility. Okay, the plus is right, but not in the right place, so it probably is just something times something plus something. And with those digits, what can we do? 4 times 8 plus 5, but we haven't got a 5. 4 times 7, we're not going to be able to get to 38, although we could do 4 times 7 plus 8 equals 36. I like that, that's all different digits, including the ones that we definitely have to use. And it's correct. I like it even more now. Got it in 3, that's not too bad. On to the binodal then. Oh, we've got a few greens. Okay, so the bottom one, the minus is right, but the equals is wrong. So let's try something like 13 minus 9. Minus 4 equals 0. Why not? Ah. So the minuses are in the right place. We just need to maneuver the numbers around. I mean, if that's 14 as the starting point, we might need a 2. So that's unlikely. It could be 16, couldn't it? Because we haven't used a 6 yet. Oh, there's 2 possibilities for the rest of the numbers. Could be 3, 9 and 4. Or it could be 4, 3, 9. I think it's going to be 4, 3, 9. Told you. Minus 4, minus 3 equals 9. That has to be correct now. Right, what's going on the top one? So we've got 8 and 4 and 7 and 9. And nothing else. 48 plus 49 is looking pretty good then. There we go. Took a while to get the first one, but then the second one followed straight away, which is always nice. Right, what are we doing here? 6 times something ending in 3. That would give us an 8 at the end. 43, no, 93, no, 73. What's 4 times 73? It's 438, which doesn't quite work. So, perhaps it's not a 6 at the front. What else can it be? It could be, well, it could be the 4 at the front. And then something ending in 9, no, because then we'd have a 6 at the end that we can't have. We can't have the 7 here either. Oh, okay. So 9 times something. Something ending in 4, no. Something ending in 6. 9 times 86, what's that? That's 774, so that's not quite right. 9 times 46. Oh no, we'd need the 4 at the end, so 9 times 36 isn't going to work either. So if that's an 8, there's a 2 at the end. That's not right. That can't be a 7. If that's a 4, that's a 6 at the end. Oh, it could be something ending in 3. 9 times 43. Nope, 9 times 83. That's 720, 746. Yes, that's correct, I think. Oh, no, it obviously ends in 7. Oh, that's 747. Which duplicate? Oh, no. 720, 747. 63 would be something in the 500s. So I don't think it can start. Let's just double check. I don't think it could be 9 times something. Oh, it's a tough one today. A long multiplication. 9 times 76. It has a 6 in it. 9 times 96. No, we obviously can't use that twice. 9 times 86. 720. 774. No, so it can't be a 9 at the front, I think. If it's a 7 at the front, what can we have? This can only be a 4 out of the remaining digits, I believe. So then 84, that would be 588, so obviously not. That's not correct, and that's not correct. So if it's a 4 at the front, it could be a 9. Well, we're going to have 89, aren't we, to get something starting with 3. Oh no, because that's going to end in a 6 anyway. I don't think it can be 4 times something. No, in fact it definitely can't. It can't be 3. So that has to be a 6, potentially. Probably not. Which is what I tried first. Oh, 6 times 49, no. 79, 420, no. Oh no, can't solve it. I'm not giving up. There's a finite number of options. What have I ruled out that was wrong? Let's go back to the 9s. Oh, let's just multiply some random things together. That's definitely correct. That's definitely correct. We haven't got very far. It's very difficult when you haven't got any of the numbers in the right position, only the symbol. Oh gosh. Oh dear. Oops. Let's go back to 6 times something. So that can't be an 8. Can't be a 9. Oh no, if it is a 9, then that's a 4. Which means that this can only be a 3. Clearly not. A 7, which would be 474, or an 8, which would be 534, which is very close to being right, but obviously not close enough. So that would have to be a 3 is the only other option, which would leave an 8 at the end. So that couldn't be a 4. Could it be a 7? That would be 438. So that's not right either. Oh, very difficult one today. 6.5 minutes on this puzzle alone. Sometimes I get this in 6.5 seconds almost. What about a 7? 7 times 84, no. 94, no. 34, no. And 64, no. So it can't be 7. So it has to be 9. I felt like we'd tried every possibility. This can't be an 8. This can't be a 7. Can it be a 4? No. Can it be a 3? That's 83. That would be 720, 747. So no. That would be 657. So not quite. No. And no. That's 567, isn't it? So the only other option is if that's a 6. So what would that be? 720, 774. No. 630, 684. No. That's 414. No, nothing works. What am I doing wrong? I've tried every possibility. I clearly haven't. Was I too quick to rule out the 9s? What's 4 times 87? No, that can't be 87. That can't be a 7 for several reasons. 83. No, because... Oh... I'm not going to give up. I'm going to get this eventually. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I've tried everything. Oh, this is painful. It's going to be 10 minutes on this single puzzle. What is going on? Oh. 7 times. No, not 84. 64. No, that's going to be in the 400s. We can't duplicate the 4. 9. Oops. Okay, so if it's 9 times something, then the answer has to add up to a multiple of 9. The other numbers add up to 28, which means that the two numbers that we use have to add up to 10, which is not going to work. So I don't think it can be 9 times. It can't be 8 times. We've ruled out 7 times. I thought we had anyway. Perhaps I just don't know my 7 times table very well. What's 7 times 89? That's 560. That's 623, I think. Yeah, it's not 6. Oh, I didn't realise I could cheat. So it's clearly 7 times something. Let's click try again. I didn't realise that you could type in something that was wrong and it would still give you some clues. So what did we decide? That was 7 times... That was all correct, wasn't it? But what are the other options? 7 times 89 is 560 plus 63. So that's 623. That is clearly not going to work. So it has to be that. Is it 483? Oh my gosh. It actually is 7 times 69. Who knew? Wow. 11 minutes 15 seconds on that one puzzle. That is a terrible performance. Let's try and whiz through everything else to see if I can redeem myself. I don't even know what to try. Let's put a 2 there for a start. 15? No. Oh! So if it's 2 times equals 21. Oh, okay. That's fairly close, actually. So something times something, times something. We need to use for, oh no, we don't need to use anything. Let's just try 7 times 3 times 1. No, 7 times 1 times 3. That felt so much longer than a minute, but clearly my whole sense of time has completely gone off the rails today. I'm completely frazzled after that abysmal performance. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Okay, 5 plus 7, I deserve that. Nothing's going right today. I don't know, 15 minus 8 equals 7. At least we got the equals in the right place, and there is a 7. So presumably it's, oh no, it can't be. Oh, what's the top one going to be? That's got a 1 and a 7. But doesn't start with 7. Oh, it could be 21 over 7. Something very similar to what we just had. And the bottom one, 20 over 5. Okay, that could have been 20 over 4 amongst probably other things, so I got a little bit lucky there. But yeah, that was a terrible performance overall. I mean, 3/4 of my time, or 2/3 of my time was spent on one puzzle. So yeah, not my best performance today, but thank you for watching. That's a full set of Nerdles. Bye for today.